Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. It is Fortnite Friday, so of course we are building something Fortnite. You may notice in the background there's a few pickaxes. These are the ones that I haven't sold yet, so if you're interested you can go on my Etsy shop and purchase one of them. It helps me out, it keeps me making videos for you guys. Recently I made the default pickaxe right here, and if you've ever looked at some of the skins in Fortnite, a lot of them are just painted versions of the same thing, and the default pickaxe actually lends its way to make several, which are on my list, and I can now scratch them off. We are going to make the stellar axe, the spectral axe, the lucky pickaxe, and I am going to mash up my own special one. Let's build 4 pickaxes from Fortnite. Let's get to building. finished. Here is the end result. I think they all turned out pretty good. There are definitely certain things about certain ones that I like the most. I really enjoy using that toothpaste technique. You saw me also use it on the Mandalorian helmet. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch it. But I learned that technique by watching Punish Props. Build Ran did a tutorial on how to mask off using just regular toothpaste instead of trying to buy those expensive masking off liquids. And it works really, really well, and in some cases better than those masking liquids. So this is my lucky pickaxe. My favorite paint job of all of them is the Stellar pickaxe. Those of you who are real fans of the channel will remember a while back I did some spray painting tutorial videos, and I showed you how to do this basic effect just on a canvas. So if you want to learn more about that, you can go watch my spray paint tutorials. The Spectral axe is basically just a black pickaxe with metallic wax paint over the top of it, blended in together. This one is definitely the shiniest of them all. And last but not least, my Walking Dead Fortnite mashup. I chose to make Lucille into a pickaxe and may have taken it a step too far and included a little bit of Glen hair on the barbed wire. So maybe you will try and make one of these 4 pickaxes yourselves, or a default, or even one of the other, I don't even know how many, future me, that many, that I've built, and impress your friends with your pickaxe building skills, or maybe they'll call hoarders because you're starting to hoard pickaxes. Maybe you'll get some,
yay!
And inevitably they're gonna ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these, tell them, much props. I think it's time for you to meet Lucille. This is gonna hurt me more than it hurts you.